From its beginnings as a repair shop for logging equipment, Giddings Lewis has been engaged in machining and assembly since 1859. Operating at the same location for more than 150 years, Giddings Lewis is an integral member of the Fond du Lac, Wisconsin community. Giddings Lewis was acquired by the French industrial engineering company FIV. With operations in over 30 countries, FIV is a diverse organization providing a range of products and services from process equipment to turnkey plants for global players in aluminum, steel, cement, automotive, logistics, and energy. Now known as FIV Giddings Lewis, the company joins machine tool industry leaders Cincinnati, Lannay Machine, and Forrest Lannay as part of the FIV Machining Systems Group. Today, FIV Giddings Lewis is an industry leader in large, high-precision machine tools. We are trusted partners in developing machines and applications for aerospace, construction, oil and gas, energy, mining, and more. Having built the first boring mill more than 100 years ago, FIV Giddings Lewis has a tradition of building rigid, precision boring mills. Giddings Lewis HBMs feature modular design. Choose table or floor type, then select the travels, features, and attachments that will optimize part production. Minimizing setups on large parts maximizes productivity and part quality. Multifunctional machines and attachments like the Giddings Lewis integrated contouring head boring mills and machining centers add turning capabilities. Nothing compares when you combine the high-value standard features, rigid design, and affordable price of the Giddings Lewis V-Series. Regardless of part material or complexity, you'll quickly see why the V-Series is the right choice for job shops and OEMs. When a task requires increased capacity for very large parts, the high-performance Giddings Lewis VTC series answers the call. With power and rigidity for heavy-duty precision cutting and the machining versatility produced with attachments, we offer what you demand. Tables from 1 to 8 meters with swings to 9 meters. Powerful drives. Full contouring C-axis. Hydrostatic ram. Live spindles, grinding spindles, side heads. A Y-axis attachment. The HMC series offers large capacity and high speed. It separates itself from the competition with its flexible headstock offerings that include high torque for hard metals and heavy cuts, live spindles for added reach and use of feed-out bars, integrated contouring head with turning capabilities, tilt spindles for multi-axis machining, and high-speed spindles. Six Sigma and Lean methodologies have been used by FIV Giddings Lewis for more than a decade to optimize all processes, from engineering and machine design to after-sales service. FIV Giddings Lewis has the finest machine tool craftsmen and women in the industry, proud of the new machines they build. We use our own machine tools to make parts for our customers' machine tools. Our assembly and machinist apprenticeship program was the first in Wisconsin. The multi-generational workforce in Fond du Lac is a result of the pride our employees take in working for Giddings Lewis. Attention to detail throughout the build cycle leads to quality-built machines delivered on time. Establishing a partnership with our customers is one of our core values. With extensive application expertise, our product specialists are instrumental in maximizing the value of a machine tool purchased from FIV Giddings Lewis. Manufacturers trust FIV Giddings Lewis to deliver productive, reliable machines, optimized processes, and top-quality service. It's the dedicated and diverse team at FIV Giddings Lewis that make it possible. We welcome you to come see us in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. Call today, visit our website, or send us an email at fivmsi-sales@fivgroup.com. Performance, quality, safety, and service. FIV Giddings Lewis.